This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x372 MBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features slide-out, air conditioning, microwave, TV, refrigerator, leveling jacks, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x372 MBH is 14,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.